Recently, I've managed to get my hands on and purchased the last version of Macromedia Studio. Macromedia Studio version 8. This is a rare find, and it is in such a pristine condition. I mean, even the retail security tag is still inside. This is an unopened box, completely new and pure. I mean, even the wrapper is still on. I almost didn't want to open it, but I know for a fact that I will thoroughly enjoy the nostalgic unboxing of this final saga of Macromedia. I think I'm the only one who will be rewatching this video again because I think I'm the only one who is emotionally attached to Macromedia Flash. Let's open it. For Asia Pacific only. Are there any differences at all? This box contains a number of products. Even though I'll be installing them all again for nostalgia, the only 3 that are of interest to me are Dreamweaver, Fireworks, and most important of them all, Flash 8. I love the intuitiveness of ActionScript 1 and 2. I don't think this would run on a Mac anymore because of the change in Apple's architecture from PowerPC to Intel processors. If any one of you know better, let me know in the comment. Trying to be as careful as possible because I want to keep the box for collection's sake. Ta-da! There are 2 discs inside. The Adobe Limited Warranty booklet. The acquisition was well underway even back then. After the acquisition of Macromedia, Adobe killed off Freehand, Fireworks, Contribute, Director, and eventually announced that they will kill off the Flash player by 2020. Studio 8 manual. You know, the funny thing was back then when Macromedia was in charge, all of its products are so friendly and intuitive to designers, you don't really need manuals. I suppose it's just a fun read. So here it is. Cheers to good times. Well, I hope this video has given you good vibes as much as it has given me. This is Bracelet Jack, signing off.